Shri Hari everyone. Tomorrow is Radha Ashtami. Bhadrapad Shukla Ashtami is known as Radha Ashtami, and this tithi comes on 31st of August this year. So, before moving forward, we'll just know about Radha Rani and Radha Ashtami. तो राधा रानी ने कभी जन्म नहीं लिया था, वो प्रकट हुई थी. So this day is marked as Radha Rani's प्रागट्य दिन instead of राधा रानी's जन्मदिन. ओके. सो हुआ कुछ यूँ था कि प्रातः काल में अमृत बेला में जब वृषभानु जी अपने स्नानादि कार्यों के लिए नदी पे गए थे, तब उनको एक 8 पेटल्ड नीलवर्णीय नीले कलर के लोटस पे श्री राधा रानी सोई हुई मिली. उन्होंने राधा रानी को अपने कन्या स्वरूप स्वीकार किया, उनको घर ले आए. उसके बावजूद उन्होंने 11 दिन अपनी आंखें नहीं खोली, बिकॉज उनकी ये इच्छा थी कि वो इस जन्म में जब भी सबसे पहले आंखें खोले या जब भी इस दुनिया के दर्शन करे, वो सबसे पहले श्री हरि को देखे, उनके दर्शन करें. तो जब 11वें दिन श्री कृष्ण उनके समीप आए, उन्होंने आंखें खोली और सबसे प्रथम श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन किए, इसलिए उनको प्रेम मूर्ति भी कहा जाता है. सो एनी वन लैकिंग इन लव for love in their life can do this vrat. Also, if you're not able to do this vrat, you can just chant 28 names of Sri Radharani, which will be given in the description. Also, you can chant or listen to Sri Radhashtakam and the divine and the most auspicious and fabulous stotram, Sri Radha Kripa Katak Stotram. It will fulfill any desire of yours. Sri Radha is very Karunamai goddess. She's humble, she's kind, and she's lovable to all. She's Prem Murti, the love itself, when has a shape, when has a body. She is Radharani. So whoever is wishing and willing to have Sri Krishna in their life as their love, they have to go through Radharani. Because Radharani is one who can provide the love, the supreme love of Sri Krishna also. So, what all things you have to do is that first of all you have to celebrate Radha Rani in the Pratah Kal Bela. From 4 to 4:24 you can celebrate it, because there is no at such time marked of Radha Rani's Prakatya. So you can celebrate Radhashtami in the Pratah Kal from 4 to 4:24 any time. After which you can give sweet bhogs to Radha Rani and you can eat them, because there is no at such niyam of this vrata. You should just have the emotional feeling which you have to give to offer to Sri Radharani. That's it, what she wants from you. Okay, so a very 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 auspicious and happy Radha Ashtami to everyone. Radhe Radhe. Thank you.